Today we're doing build a boat, as you could have told. So this is one of my favourite boats to use. Oh, wait. There we go. One of my favourite boats to use for the reason of... Well, actually, I'll be able to show you. So, here is my jetpack. I'm a no pay to win person. I've spent no real life money, except for my electricity bill. I hate people that do that. I always like to get rid of the glue that holds it together, whatever it's called. So yeah, this boat is built in with different things for different things. So the grapple hook things on the front, I'll show you that if I'm having to pop over to someone else's boat or base, all I have to do is go. It's normally a bit more still. But another good thing is that if your boat's, you know, in a bit of a steer, say, oh no, my boats having a little bit of an oopsie. Well, you know what, I'll give up on that. You can do it. Let's hope it runs out. Oh, where are you? Situations like this, yeah, you can so you can do it manually from the back, or if your friends are in it, yeah, you can lock those doors and go. No, not that. Sorry everyone, wrong button. Pressed it again. Yes, just a side effect. But now, make sure you don't fall out in case your seat breaks. Close that door back. Now look. Accidentally jumped out. Another thing that's scary. See? I can quote unquote walk around in my boat if I actually was remembering to stabilise it. Because what you could do is that you could have one on each corner, thereby supporting it from falling. If your parents say anything about it's YouTube, just say it's education in aerodynamics and physics. There will be one of you, one unpopular. Oh, quick. Everyone, we're getting back. We're going back home. Then it will come back to us. So yeah, it's called brute force because it's reinforced really well. Well, really well in what I think. I really want to buy that. Oh, I bought it, didn't I? Yeah. 5 TNT. 5 dynamite. You're saying I can get guns? Okay, I'm having a look at this. If I can shoot this at my friends, that's the bright thing. If I can shoot this at my friends, I'll be so happy. Okay, there's some dynamite. Barely ever used TNT. There's the big cannon. There's the normal cannon. Brother absolutely loves cannons. Don't say I just picked it up. What the hell? The actual hell. I need to turn like PvP on. Settings. PvP mode. Okay. And there's guns over here. It's called like a ball gun. I want to know what that dynamite is. So the fight's on the phone. What the hell, huh? Yeah, no, I'm not drunk or anything, but... Let's grab out... We're just gonna do some experiments. Maybe because it's still loading. That's actually decent. Why are there old wheels? Suspension, did you get that in here? No, what we do. Help me, I'm in the dynamite, I am exploding. I don't know what that Get away. Where's that big red button? Move the seat. Oh my god. Oh, we just pressed the button. I wanted I had a roofless. Close the door. Hopefully. Oh, we're even in room 1. Hey. What the? Well, anyway, build-boats not that fun when it comes to, once you've already mastered it. I can get to the end. Just thought I'd make a video. See you all.